Well, boys and girls, it looks like the doc is in. Let's see who Doc Mcstuffins' patient is today. Hello. Hi, Lambie. How are you? Oh, Doc, I'm not feeling so well. Okay, Lambie, let's take a look at you and give you a checkup so we can see how we can help you. Let me go get my checklist. Okay, it says here first I should check your heart. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little listen. It might tickle a little, but it won't hurt. You don't need to be scared, Lambie. Your heart sounds great, Lambie. That looks A-okay. Next, I'm gonna check your temperature. Can you open your mouth wide? Beep, 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 beep. 98.6. Your temperature looks great. Now I'm gonna check your ears. Let's take a look at your ears. That one looks good. That one looks good. Your ears look good, Lambie. All that's left to check is your mouth. Can you open wide? Oh, Lambie, have you been to the dentist recently? What's the dentist? The dentist is where they check your teeth. Oh no, not the dentist. I can't go to the dentist. I'm way too scared to go to the dentist. Oh, Lambie, you don't need to be scared. At the dentist, they just check your teeth and they take good care of you. First, they'll start by brushing your teeth. Then they'll floss and make sure they're nice and clean. They're very nice there, and they'll always take good care of you. They might take a look with a mirror that looks just like this one. And that will show the dentist what your teeth look like inside. That way they can check for any cavities or see if anything else is going on with your teeth. So they'll look all around your teeth and see how it looks inside. Oh, Doc, then what's next? Then, after they brush your teeth and they look at your teeth, then they might have to do some fixing if you have a cavity. So they might need to use this handy dandy drill. But don't worry, they are always very gentle. So they might look inside and drill here and drill at the different teeth. But it's not scary because the dentist is so nice. Oh, I don't know if I can be brave, Doc. I've never been to the dentist. How will I be okay? Well, Lambie, since I'm your friend, I'd be happy to go with you and sit with you. Oh, Doc, I would love that. I would love to go with you. But remember, the dentists are nice and they're there to take good care of your teeth. Okay, so what types of things should I do to take care of my teeth? Well, you should brush your teeth at least twice a day, in the morning and at night. What else should I do, Doc? You should try to floss your teeth. That way you can get out any food that is stuck in between your teeth. Oh, really, Doc? I didn't do that one. Thanks for sharing. What else should I do? You should make sure anytime you eat something sweet or sticky that you brush your teeth too, because those things get stuck on your teeth and can give you cavities. What type of sticky sweet treats are we talking about? Like my favorite bubblegum and lollipops? Yeah, Lambie, bubblegum and lollipops. But remember, you can't have too many of those because that might hurt your tummy, and then you'll be in here for a tummy ache. Oh, that's right, Doc. Bubblegum and lollipops are special treats to only have sometimes. Exactly, Lambie. So what else should I do to take care of my teeth? Drinking water is very important, and that'll also help make your teeth strong and your body. Oh, that's so good to know, Doc. Thanks for helping me not be so nervous to go to the dentist. No problem, Lambie. I'm glad you're healthy, and it's always important to go to the dentist at least twice a year so they can clean your teeth and make sure everything is A-OK. I feel much better, and I'm so excited that you're going to go with me to the dentist. I can't wait to go. Yes, that'll be so much fun, Lambie. Maybe we should call and make an appointment so we can go as soon as possible. That way your tooth will feel better. Thanks, Doc. We'll see you next time, boys and girls. Bye.